Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram story shake to reveal. So this is a pretty new feature on Instagram, and I'm not sure if you are also having this new feature, but this is how you can create one. So you can start by clicking on your story and open your camera. First, you can select the photo as the background. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this photo as the background, and to start add the shake to reveal frame, we can just click on the sticker icon at the top, and here click on the frames option and select the photos to reveal. So for example, I'm going to just go with this pictures right here. You can add a caption if you want to make your followers interest to reveal the image. So for example, you can just write, okay, so I'm gonna just write this, and after that click on done. So your followers will see this story, but they need to shake their phone or tap the image to reveal what is on the frame. So after that, you can just click on your story and upload it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.